Woohoo! Aloha, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Mermaid Nina here on the bus to Animal Kingdom. Woohoo! So pretty excited about that. It is very chilly this morning, so the kids are in their winter gear over here. We got another one over here with a hat on. I packed my hat. We'll see if I put it on or not, but we've got many layers on, and yeah, we're just gonna rock out Animal Kingdom in the cold, so follow along. They got their tree all set up, ready to go. Pretty. Way around. Very pretty.
Thank you for visiting us today. Just a few reminders. Face coverings must fully cover your nose.
Here we go. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Go ahead, Henry. All right, we're in. Thank you. Such a pretty little subtle pink color. We found the vultures from the Animal Kingdom show. We remember that one of their names was Bones. We think the other one is Perry. Remember they were trying to have a baby, hatch an egg? There they are right there. Just chilling in the sun. Next to them over there looks like a couple of kangaroos. Hi, Bones. Hi, Perry. You think that's your name? You're right here underneath the tree of life.
They're flamingos. Some of them have things on their feet.
Yeah, that's their tags, honey. It's so how the park identifies which one's which.
How come some are pink and some aren't?
I don't know. All right. Let's go for an early morning train ride.
Wildlife Express. For a safe journey, remember to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Sit all the way back against the bench, and please be sure to watch your children. Asante.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Wildlife Express. Para que tengan un viaje seguro, manténganse sentados con las manos atrás y así dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la barra. Y por favor, miren a los niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rapunzel's Planet Watch. Here, you'll
discover a wide range of animal adventures. Animation reaches all the way back to Walt Disney himself and his long-standing passion for conservation. He believed it was important that we protect our wildlife and preserve our natural world. This sense of motivation shaped his legacy from animation to conservation to the very Jungle Book and more. Did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the studio? In the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts. Even with the latest advances in computer animation, this tradition continues today as animators travel throughout the world to observe animals in their own surroundings. And that includes here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
We are now approaching Conservation Station.
Please watch your step. Provide by the road marking privileges. Safe distances from those around you. If you're joining us, welcome to the Conservation Station and Dorothy Canyon Lodge.
Rafiki. A sun, a swash banana, doo da boo doo doo doo. Alright, this is the affection station. Or section, something I've actually never done. Ready to prepare some food.
Thank you. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them.
They're apparently performing some surgery on this turtle here, who's having some egg issues.
So she's probably taking her heart rate, so it's really hard with tortoise shell to manage. So
I haven't seen them today. I've only seen both back to retained egg in there, and they're trying to figure it out, and then just out.
So that's her job, is basically just monitoring all of that.
I want to meet some of these both Dr. Natalie's are here. I've seen them both. Looks like this morning.
Yeah, it's just discharged.
They found the egg. There it is right there. Everyone's taking pictures of it.
So they finally found it.
So this tortoise here has an egg that's basically hasn't come out. So they had to use a scope to find it. And there it is right there. They found it.
Yeah, so it came down out of the
Line is, and kind of where this curved line is too as well. So that's kind of where your stronger part of the teeth are. And then we're just going to trace over down to the bottom of the oval and just stop it before the vertical line.
Sit all the way back against the bench. And please, be sure to watch your children.
Bienvenidos. Comenzamos ahora nuestro viaje de regreso a la aldea africana de Aramo. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la banca. Y por favor, vigilen a los niños. Gracias.
Welcome Adventure Series touched the hearts of millions of viewers, inspiring a spirit of conservation and paving the road for the nature documentaries we see today. Back to wherever you call home. Remember, That legacy lives in you. Go well, and remember, preserving the magic of nature begins with you. Asante.
Hello!
Bienvenidos a Kilimanjaro Safari. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos.
Still here, the dreaded vinyl. Only known living relative to the giraffe. Just like giraffes, okapis have a super long tongue. Their tongue is so long they can lick their eyeball. On the left, bongos. Bongos are known as the ghosts of the forest because they're rarely seen. Both male and female have heavy horns that are tilted backward. It helps them move quickly through all the thick underbrush in the forest. If they're out bathing in the sun, their bodies look a little bit red or pink in color. Their skin oozes a natural thick substance that acts as a sunscreen for them. It's also believed to help protect any wounds from getting infected from the wild waters they live in. I see a group of hippos on the left there. A group of hippos is called a bloat. Sometimes they'll keep their eyes and their ears right above the water so they can see and hear everything on the outside, but their jaws can actually conduct sound waves. So there's two babies here. One's a boy, one's a girl. If you look at their neck, they have a dewlap there. It helps to regulate their body temperature. Hartsman mountain zebras are the only species of zebra that has a dewlap on their neck, so that's a way that you could tell them apart. So this baby here is the baby boy, and the one that's over far a little bit further away, that's the baby girl. On the left, if you look behind the cave on the right of the cave, you might also see African wild dogs. They're a little bit tricky to see. African wild dogs are one of the most successful predators in Africa, about 80% success rate on the hunt. They hunt in very large packs, very good at communicating with each other. On the left is the tallest giraffe on the reserve. He is an adult male. So giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. The tallest living giraffe is 18 feet tall and 5 inches. Even a baby giraffe is about 6 feet tall. Within just an hour of being born, they're able to... And a group of giraffes is called a tower because they're the tallest animals in the world.
Oh, she's staring at us.
Hi, Stephanie. So all the broken down trees can cool their bodies by about 15 degrees whenever they do that. Also, when they flap their ears, it can mean they're excited or happy, and the noise it makes can help them to communicate with other elephants that have thousands of muscles. So sensitive at the tips, they can pick up a single blade of grass. Their trunks can hold about 5 gallons of water. They drink about 42 gallons of water a day. Sometimes you'll see them tossing mud and dirt up onto their body. They do that to cool off, make a natural sunscreen, and to protect from the bugs too. Their skin looks really strong, but it's super sensitive, so sweating and up to about 9 months without any water. They're actually considered extinct in the wild. A reserve like this is one of the only places you're still able to see them, so it's a big reminder how important it is to help the animals out and spread awareness for them. On the left, there is a female lion. Face things like poaching and habitat loss. To help out, Disney teamed up with the Lion Recovery Fund. They started what's called Protect the Pride Project. And they're so strong that a grown adult can stand on one and not crack it. One ostrich egg is equivalent to about 24 chicken eggs. Alright friends, we're coming up to the end of our safari. We saw watch your hands, arms, feet, and legs. Doors are sliding open. Here we go. We don't know which one is Douglas, but Douglas is the name of the baby. If you saw the Animal Kingdom show, you'll know what I'm talking about. But it looks like they're just up there chilling in the sun. He's eating. See the baby?
Nick's just got the medicine. And then you have the medicine.
I got the good stuff. I like the ice cream man. Everyone loves the ice cream man.